The construction of the first automotive works, China's first automotive manufacturing plant and predecessor of FAW Group Cooperation Limited, was launched in Changchun on July 15, 1953, marking the beginning of the nation's auto industry. From its first car rolling off the production line to being one of the world's top 500 companies, the FAW has become the epitome of China's auto industry development. By the end of 2022, the FAW had produced and sold more than 54 million vehicles and achieved an operating revenue of over 7.9 trillion yuan. FAW's success has stimulated the growth of China's auto industry. Over the past 70 years, the country's auto industry has gone from manual manufacturing to mechanical manufacturing, and now it's moving forward to intelligent manufacturing.
在当前的红旗品牌的开发过程中呢，我们主打的是新能源的电动化、智能网联的自动驾驶化，还有我们的车联网的这个生态应用服务化。
相当于是3步走呢，来实现这个新能源的这个产品的一个布局。第一步呢，相当于是做这个传统车的电动化。目前呢，解放已经完成了这个第一步的传统车电动化的一个工作。在2025年呢，解放呢要达到一个叫核心总成数字化。 然后在第3步呢，要这个2030年呢，围绕着新能源的技术特点来打造专属的这个整车平台。
With Changchun as its R&D headquarters, FAW has built 12 R&D centers worldwide. At present, FAW's overseas business has covered 78 countries and regions.
东线呢，主要是围绕着这个智利、秘鲁，这个拉美的一些国家来主打的奔能的一些这个经济型的产品。 那南线呢，主要是像印尼呀、越南呐、巴基斯坦、东欧南亚的一些国家，并且呢，我们在这个南非呢，还有一些本地化的生产组装基地，就进而辐射南部非洲，整个这个西线和北线呢，我们主要是聚焦中东和欧洲市场。
对整个中国汽车市场，我们还是充满很大信心的，尤其在新能源汽车上，中国已经走在了世界的前列，我们会不断的投资扩大。
China's auto production and sales have ranked first in the world for 14 consecutive years, and those of new energy vehicles topped the global market for the 8th year in a row. According to the General Administration of Customs, China's vehicle exports soared to around 1.07 million units in the first quarter of 2023, indicating that China had become the world's largest auto exporter in the period, outpacing Japan.